Today the topic is software process improvement. Here we are going to give an activity for discussions. So topic is online examination system. In online examination system, how the project will be developed in software companies.
A software company was given a project to develop an online examination system for a college. The system was expected to allow students to register for exams, attend online tests and receive their results automatically. The management promised to complete the project within 6 months. Initially, the development team started working with enthusiasm, but they did not spend much time on detailed planning or requirement analysis. Thank you. After a few months, several problems began to appear in the project. The development team noticed that some features requested by the client were missing from the system. Students who tested the software reported errors while logging in the submitting answers. The testing team found many bugs in the system and fixing these bugs required additional system. Because of the issues, the project schedule started to fall behind and the team felt pressured to complete the work quickly.
Another major problem was communication between the client and development team. A client frequently requests changes in the system, such as adding a new format and changing the exam timing rules. However, these changes were not properly documented and some teams members were unaware of this update. As a result, developers continued working on the outdated requirements, which created a confusions and increased the work.
The management also noticed that there was no proper testing plan in place. Testing was done only at final stage of development instead of throughout the project. This late testing approach made it difficult to identify and fix errors earlier. In addition, the team did not maintain clear documentation of the software design and testing results. Without proper documentation,
your answers. Thank you.